Welcome. Today we are going to learn how to take a screenshot on window. We'll learn two methods. The first one comes with your machine. It's a software. So let's say you are reading online. You are reading this news online and you need to take a screenshot to show someone. So first of all, go to the search and type Snipping Tool. See it at the top over there. Snipping Tool. So you click on it. So go to new. And it will allow you to take a picture. Allow you to take a picture of all what you want. See, so you have taken a picture of the site. So this is just a picture of the site. One good aspect of this software is that sometimes when you take the screenshot, it saves automatically. So let's say if I go to my folder and I go to pictures, see screenshots, click on screenshot. Here is it over here. You see it takes automatically over there. That's good. Let's go to the next method. Alright, you can also use FN plus print screen. Okay, FN plus print screen, and this is how to pop up. So you have the option of what camera, record. So let's go to this side. You see full screen. So maybe if you want full screen, I'll click on it. You see it has taken a screenshot. Don't want that, you can also select maybe window, the whole window has been taken, or let's say rectangular form. Alright, so this is a various way you can take. Let's go and check whether our screenshot has been saved. So I'll go to screenshot, and you see these are the various screenshots we've taken. These are the various screenshots we've taken this. Alright, thank you very much for watching. See you again in another video.